For the first time, especially since Operation Sindoor started, Prime Minister Modi sent out a message. It was his address to the nation late last night at about 8 p.m. And he also very categorically said, Operation Sindoor wasn't just a one-off exercise. It's India's new policy against terrorism, reiterating that terror talks trade cannot go together. What did he mean? Prime Minister Modi was referring to the Indus Water Treaty that India has for now put in abeyance as part of the diplomatic strike, and adding, water and blood cannot flow together. In this first address to the nation, Prime Minister Modi also slammed Pakistan for supporting terrorists, and not just once or twice, but for decades now, and has added, India, and especially at this time, will go after the terrorists and the backers as much. He's also made it clear, India and Pakistan from now on can have talks, but only on terrorism and if there is a talk of return of POJK. Not just that, also asserting that each attack hereon, any future act of terror, will be seen as an act of war. Let's listen in to the excerpts of Prime Minister Modi. Some of the statements were strong, scathing and direct, not just to Pakistan, but for the world too.
ऑपरेशन सिंदूर ने आतंक के खिलाफ लड़ाई में एक नई लकीर खींच दी है। एक नया पैमाना, न्यू नॉर्मल तय कर दिया है। पहला, भारत पर आतंकी हमला हुआ तो मुंह तोड़ जवाब दिया जाएगा। हम अपने तरीके से, अपनी शर्तों पर जवाब देकर रहेंगे। हर उस जगह जाकर कठोर कार्रवाई करेंगे जहां से आतंक की जड़ें निकलती हैं। ऑपरेशन सिंदूर ये सिर्फ नाम नहीं है, ये देश के कोटि कोटि लोगों की भावनाओं का प्रतिबिंब है। ऑपरेशन सिंदूर न्याय की अखंड प्रतिज्ञा है। 6 मई की देर रात, 7 मई की सुबह पूरी दुनिया ने इस प्रतिज्ञा को परिणाम में बदलते देखा है। भारत की सेनाओं ने पाकिस्तान में आतंक के ठिकानों पर, उनके ट्रेनिंग सेंटर्स पर सटीक प्रहार किया। आतंकियों ने सपने में भी नहीं सोचा था कि भारत इतना बड़ा फैसला ले सकता है। लेकिन जब देश एकजुट होता है, नेशन फर्स्ट की भावना से भरा होता है, राष्ट्र सर्वोपरि होता है, तो फौलादी फैसले लिए जाते हैं। इस आतंकी हमले के बाद सारा राष्ट्र, हर नागरिक, हर समाज, हर वर्ग, हर राजनीतिक दल एक स्वर में आतंक के खिलाफ कड़ी कार्रवाई के लिए उठ खड़ा हुआ। हमने आतंकवादियों को मिट्टी में मिलाने के लिए भारत की सेनाओं को पूरी छूट दे दी, और आज हर आतंकी, आतंक का हर संगठन जान चुका है कि हमारी बहनों बेटियों के माथे से सिंदूर हटाने का अंजाम क्या होता है। पाकिस्तानी फौज, पाकिस्तान की सरकार जिस तरह आतंकवाद को खाद पानी दे रहे हैं, वो एक दिन पाकिस्तान को ही समाप्त कर देगा। पाकिस्तान को अगर बचना है तो उसे अपने टेरर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का सफाया करना ही होगा। इसके अलावा शांति का कोई रास्ता नहीं है।
Piyush Mishra joins me for the latest on that. Piyush, so all those huddles and meetings that we had been tracking all these days, and then finally this address to the nation. The tone was very clear, very direct as a messaging as much to Pakistan, I noticed, but also to the United States of America. What are you picking up about the body language, the choice of words? And it wasn't just assertive, I would say it was aggressive too.
Very aggressive, Pooja, and the tone, tenor and message sent out by Prime Minister certainly tells us as to how he is very serious this time dealing with terrorism, Pak-sponsored terrorism is concerned. He has also warned Pakistan that if you don't take actions against the terrorist camps here in Pakistan, one day these terrorists will wipe out Pakistan. He has also made it very clear that Operation Sindoor is our new policy and we have set a new normal. Prime Minister has also asserted on three big points, Pooja. One, that if there is any further terror attack, then we will decide how to respond, when to respond, and we will ensure that the strongest possible actions are taken. Two, that the terrorist hubs cannot hide under the terror or under the threat of nuclear threat which Pakistan keeps on giving. And three, that if there is any other actions, then we will never ever make a distinction between the terrorist groups and the Pakistani government. So message is clear that if there is any other mischief, we will hit you back. He has also added, Pooja, that Operation Sindoor has just been put on hold. If there is any kind of mischievous activity by the Pakistan, we will then make our plans and will respond accordingly. So it was a clear message not only to Pakistan, Pooja, but to the entire globe that we are not going to let terror go unpunished.
And also it's a reminder, let's be very clear. Neither the response nor this address to the nation is going to stop Pakistan or change them. They will continue with their misadventures. But possibly India making it very clear this time that we are not Purana India and we will respond where it will hurt Pakistan.